A lot of us want to make extra money but think we need a laptop, a big investment, or special connections. That's not true. I used to think that way too, until I tried a different method, using just my phone and a few simple tools. So, what exactly did I do? I discovered a platform, created an account, and started working. On my first day, I made just 2,000, but by staying consistent, by the third day, I had already earned over 17,000. In this video, I'll walk you through every single step I took to make that money in just 3 days. Step 1. Creating an account. Start by clicking the link in the video description. You'll land on a page introducing the platform. It says, Owodaily connects businesses seeking digital growth with motivated individuals like you. Our platform hosts microjobs, cashback offers, and rewards from verified SMEs and agencies. Choose tasks based on your skills and interests. So this is a micro job platform. You can complete tasks, post your own jobs, and earn money. To sign up, click the Start button. First, you'll enter your full name. Next, input your email and choose a username. After that, click Next. You'll then be asked to subscribe to the platform. Membership costs just $5,000. And I know, $5,000 might sound like a lot, but it's really not. I promise you, you can make that back within your first week. Once you choose your country, like me, I selected Nigeria, you'll input your phone number, then click Next. Now you'll set your password. Make sure it follows the rules. Minimum 8 characters, at least 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, a special character, and a number. Follow that order exactly. Then click Next, complete the CAPTCHA, and agree to the terms. You'll now be asked to pay the subscription fee. It may not be exactly $5,000. It might be $209, $5,301. Pay the exact amount to avoid issues. Once paid, you'll have a dashboard filled with available microjobs, each with different rewards. Step 2. Performing jobs. Every day you'll find between 50 to 100 jobs here, some paying 10, 15, 100, and even more. You can filter jobs by payout amount. Just click high-paying jobs to sort them. Some jobs even offer rewards of $250,000, $500,000, and higher. Let me show you how to complete a job right now. I'll go to a new task. It says, click the first link like any video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and upload a screenshot. Only real subscribers are accepted. This task pays $15. So I follow the steps. Click the link, like a video, subscribe, turn on the bell, take a screenshot. Then I go back to the platform. Click Choose File under Provide Required Proof, then select the screenshot from your phone. In the description box, write something simple like Done. Tick the checkbox and hit Submit Proof. Before I submit, let me show you my current stats. 5 pending submissions, 36 rejected, 755 approved. That's a total of 791 jobs. I really use this platform to make money. Now, after submitting this task, my pending submissions increased to 6. Once the job poster reviews and approves it, the Dole 15 will be added to my balance. Step 3. Earning consistently. As you just saw, I earned 15 in under a minute. If you can do 50 to 100 of these daily, you could earn at least 1,000 per day. Over 30 days, that's 30,000 just from a 5,000 investment. Step 4. Referring others. To earn more, you can refer people. Click on Reward and see your referral stats. For every person who registers and pays the 5,000, you get 2,500. I've referred 3 people, 1 paid, so I earned 2,500. Refer 10 people, and you could make 25,000 in bonuses. So don't keep this to yourself. Invite family and friends. They earn, you earn. Step 5. Cashback deals. Want to earn while shopping? Click the 3-dot icon and select Deals with Cashback. Let's take Dabota Cosmetics as an example. If you shop for $50,000 worth of products, you get a cashback reward, maybe $3,399 or more, credited to your lifetime cashback balance. Even bigger deals exist, like solar generators for $300K giving $20K back. You get the product and a refund portion. It's a win-win. Step 6. Withdrawing your earnings. To withdraw, click the 3 dots again and go to Payout. You'll see your balance and past withdrawals. I withdrew $8,221 recently, and here's the alert from my bank to prove it. The reason I've withdrawn only part of the $17,000 is because I used the rest to post jobs on this platform, which brings me to the next point. Step 7. Posting jobs. You can hire people to do tasks for you, like subscribing to a YouTube channel or boosting social media engagement. Click Hire Micro Workers, then choose the location, Nigeria or Africa. Select YouTube and define the job, like subscribe, like, comment, etc. Each subscriber costs a minimum of day of 15. If you want 3,000 subscribers, the platform will show you the estimated cost, around 53,300. You can then charge a client 70,000 and keep the profit. Set the job instructions, upload proof requirements like screenshots, and choose how you want to approve submissions, manually or automatically. Once live, your job appears in the main list for workers to complete. You'll see your campaign status under My Job Campaigns. I've had over 513 workers do tasks for me, and the system shows if any were rejected and why. Final thoughts. Owodaily isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you're consistent, smart, and take action, you can make serious money. I made $17,000 in 3 days using only my phone. Whether you want to work jobs, post them, or refer others, this platform gives you multiple ways to earn. It's been running since 2021, pays every Friday, and hasn't had withdrawal issues. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Take action now. Let's get started. Click the link in the description and begin your journey. Now, before you go, if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. It helps a lot and tells YouTube this content is valuable. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think. Have you used Owodaily before? Are you planning to try it now? I read and reply to every single comment. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more real ways to make money online using just your phone. More tutorials, more proofs, more hacks coming your way every week. This is David Wealth Hacks, helping you turn your hustle into income. See you in the next video.